Saying things isn't a good enough excuse when you are just sitting right there. I know you ain't just gonna stare.
Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Cherry Bombs vlog. What it do? It's been a minute. I missed you all, but we're back. Showing you a little thing I bought. So for anybody that has a 370Z or seen any videos online about the 5 things they hate about the 370Z, one of them, big thing, is there's no room for your cell phone. So if you're looking in here, you got a cup holder, the blanks, you know, this space here, but you know, that's it. You could put it under your ass, or you could throw it in that little slot over there, but all of those options are not good enough. So the solution for those that do have the Sport Tech or any other model that's not the Touring or the convertible, then these buttons are pointless. They just are not even buttons, right? So we're gonna pop these out. Real simple. You just pop this thing off and you unscrew those, and that comes out. And then we got this from 3D Hubs, made in the USA. This ABS plastic insert that we're gonna put inside here. So basically it's gonna look like that. So you can put the phone in. Let's see, let's test it. Yep, see, it's in there. Boom. Alright, so that's what we're gonna do. Real simple, couple screws, got a screwdriver. Real simple ordering online. You just need the file, upload it. I will put all that in the description, and where you can get all this. It was 13 bucks. It came in 2 days, so really fast, really cheap, really simple thing you could do for your car and make it, you know, that more practical. Because this is not the most practical car on the market. But yeah, let's get to it. I don't have broccoli with me today, so I'm gonna hold the camera and try and do this myself. So we got these 4 screws. Let me get the flat Phillips head screwdriver. Just take this out and bwam. Cool. Let me see here. I think you just slide this in here. Line it up. Oh, let's see. This way first. So that it rests on this right here. It's gonna fit just like that. It's a little shifty. We'll see. Oh, there it is. It locked right into place. Boom. That shit ain't going nowhere. Cool. Install complete. That's dope. See, now I ordered a red one, but they gave me a black. And see, that's a problem. I wanted the red, create a little contrast throughout the car. You know, because you got the red little accents here and there, whatever. But this is cool. Boom. It does what it's supposed to do. It's not going nowhere. And the phone, it's right in there. Nice. Alright. So that was a quick install real quick. We got rid of the button deletes and we switched it up with 3D Hubs insert for the phone. So quick little mod, 13 bucks, 2 days wait, and that's the end result. Looks good. Thank you guys for tuning in. Give me a like, subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'll see you next time. Peace.
Yeah.